Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Jadon and I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I am a VCA graduate. After completing my VCA, I joined Vision Technosur. One of my best friend Abhishek told me about Vision Technosur and joining here was one of the best decisions in my life within just 45 days. I improved my skill and confidence, problem solving. A vision trains a student from zero to hero and makes them industry ready. I would like to thank you, Anamika ma'am, and Ganesh sir, Priya ma'am, a trainer, Prasanjit Mujinder sir, Prince sir, and Asutosh sir. This is my favorite faculty for their support and guidance. They played a very important role in my success. I am very happy to share that I got to place in Tech Mahindra within 2.4 LPA. Vision gives great training and a strong placement support. Within 2 months and completing my course, I got placed successful. I highly recommended Vision Technosur to everyone who want to build their career, improve my skill and confidence. Thank you so much, Vision team, and I will always be grateful to you. Thank you.